In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll down again and tap on Dual Messenger. Following that, click on grey switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to use a separate contact list, click on grey switcher over here. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can go back to the same settings and tap on blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!